promise that you'll never be lonely.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I would like to do a review of Fashion Nova sunglasses, all under $10 and I thought it's pretty affordable and nice, and it's something really different. And all these sunglasses that I got, I really love them. The first one I'll be showing you is called A Little Suspicious, and it's in the shade silver. It is really nice. It's got a black handle, and this really fit me well. I will be showing you viewers how these sunglasses look on me at the end of the video. And this is A Little Suspicious in the shade silver, and I'm really loving the vibe of the sunglasses for summer beach time. I will call it Not My Problem, and that's what it says on the website. And this is called Not My Problem, and this is in the shade Burgundy, and I really love this look. This is actually my favorite amongst the 3 sunglasses I purchased, because this looks really fab on me, and people compliment me a lot when I go out. And last but not the least is called the Selena Oversized Sunglasses, and it's in the shade Golden Black, and the gold is the handle, and this is how it looks like. This is really oversized. Obviously it says in the description Selena Oversized Sunglasses, so if you are purchasing the sunglasses, beware. It is really oversized. I knew it was oversized, but I didn't think it was going to be this oversized. Something I will wear when the sun is really hot, like scorching hot. So now let me show you how these sunglasses look on me. And I just wanted to say these are really affordable sunglasses, and each pair of sunglasses is well below $10, which is $9.99, and I'm really happy and pleased. So stay tuned.